Hello everyone, I'll be discussing the features of digital gold. The gold token boasts several impressive features that aim to facilitate the usage of blockchain for digitalizing assets. By purchasing gold via the token, customers get access to a low-cost token that entails no transfer fees. Thanks to its Ethereum 20 support, customers can choose to send the token anywhere in the world without having to worry about volatile transfer fees, since all transfers are free. Users are also permitted to make unlimited payments, as the service does not impose account limits. Users should note that transfers still entails the gas tax charged by the Ethereum network. To make the project sustainable, a service cost has been implemented. As such, Gold token users can expect to have a small percentage of their holdings charged on a daily basis. It is important to consider that the service cost is designed to be either comparable or lower than the fees associated with storing gold at a depository or bank. Users can expect to pay a 0.99% annual storage fee. The opportunity to diversify portfolios and keep wealth in a safe haven. The current cryptocurrency market conditions usually involve volatile price swings, thus giving all purchases a high risk factor. Most of the currently available coins are not trusted to keep their value in the long run, as the market is still in its nascence. However, gold represents a financial asset that has held its value for thousands of years. With time, it gave holders access to unprecedented purchasing power backed by stability. Without a doubt, gold is one of the world's safest assets to own for wealth storage. Its digitalization via the gold tokens enables users to purchase coverage in physical gold, which can then be used to exercise protection against poor market conditions, volatility, and regulatory changes. The gold token can be easily and instantly purchased, sold, and traded, thus proving why it represents a powerful addition to current customer cryptocurrency portfolios. Secure gold ownership. The challenges related to purchasing and storing gold have been briefly discussed. The process generally involves quite a bit of hassle. To purchase gold, those who are interested need to find a reliable supplier, handle paperwork, and then proceed to secure the newly purchased precious metal. Hosting it in a bank is a safe choice, yet it involves even more paperwork alongside storage fees. The inherent dangers associated with storing gold at home are well known, since to this day, burglary remains a problem that society has to protect against. These challenges can be disregarded with digital gold. With the gold token, customers purchase coverage in actual gold stored by the company in secure vaults. All physical gold is insured, therefore the risks are minimal. All risks are covered at full replacement value. The insurance contract is currently provided by one of the world's largest insurance underwriters, the Schwab Insurance Company. The insured gold is stored in Singapore, which is perfectly viable location thanks to its strong property rights. It is also relevant to mention that blockchain technology provides security against cyber risk as well. So far, blockchain remains impenetrable, granted that no public blockchain ledger has been hacked to this day. Security on the user side can be ensured as long as token users protect themselves against keyloggers and other forms of computer malware. However, no third party can gain access to a user account without discovering the wallet identifier and the associated private key. Additionally, blockchain immutability ensures that all transactions are permanent, thus token users face no chargeback risk. Lastly, 100% of purchased tokens are covered by physical gold. With this in mind, the total amount of gold tokens put into circulation can be confirmed via any Ethereum block explorer. The amount is equal to the value of physical gold that is purchased on behalf of consumers and stored in a Bullion Star-based secure vault. Users are free to carry out their due diligence by verifying the Bullion Star Live Audit Report. As such, a third-party audit report is issued on a quarterly basis, thus confirming the value of gold being stored. High liquidity digital gold. The gold token ensures that high liquidity since the token issuer company, Digital Gold Limited, also works as a liquidity supplier. Users are permitted to instantly purchase and sell large amounts of tokens via the Digital Gold Marketplace or partner exchanges. Another benefit worth pointing out is that with Digital Gold, customers do not have a considered local business hours since the service is available 24/7. Liquidity is therefore available on demand, and the rates always closely match current gold market prices. A private gold ownership experience. As briefly mentioned, dealing with physical gold entails that users disclose personal information to remain in compliance with national regulatory frameworks. The general lack of standardization backed by the sheer amount of data collection has led to the appearance of a society that is not privacy conscious. The gold tokens allows for physical gold ownership while remaining private, guaranteed long-term life expectancy of purchased gold. Most financial analysts agree that the life expectancy of the gold vastly outweigh our own. This conclusion is backed by the Lindy effect, a concept that describes how the future life expectancy of an asset is directly proportional to its current age. Gold's prevalence for thousands of years guarantees that the precious metal will remain relevant for many years to come. This is the link to digital gold which can be found in the description below to know more. Thank you.